First things first, today when you solve equations, we want to distribute. So let's write that down. Okay. For example, if you get something like this today in your equation, take care of it first. That's the first thing you do. So you go what?
2x
What? 2x what?
minus 20.
Okay. So that is number one today. You see grouping symbols, take care of the multiplier. Okay? Second thing to do, and this is yes, critical.
When we're like showing work, do we have to put like 3 times x or each find it like that? Like showing you how you're distributing.
Oh, you mean like 2 times x and then minus 2 times 10?
Yeah.
No, I don't need that. No, I know that's what I need. Okay, Alex, you got a question?
No.
Okay, let Luke listen. Okay. All right, thanks. Okay, step 2. You're going to see variables, but they're going to be on both sides of the equal sign. So get all variables today on one side of the equal sign. Okay, all variables on one side of the equal sign. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so if you see something like this, 2x plus 6 equals 4x. If that's your equation today, all I'm telling you is this. You never solve equations when you have x's over there and x's over here. And when I say over there, it's over here, I mean, look at the equal sign. On the right, you have x's. On the left, you have x's. We have to get them off one side or the other. Okay, so either you subtract 2x or you subtract 4x. There's a secret. You want to know the secret? Pick the smaller x term. Which term is smaller? 2 is smaller than 4. So I'm going to show you this. You're going to basically go like this. 2x, take away 2x, right? What's that make, by the way? 0. So you get 6 equals, and then 4x take away 2x is 2x. You see what just happened? Okay, that's what you'll do today. And here's why you don't want to get rid of the 4x. Watch this. If I go 2x plus 6 equals 4x, when you get rid of 4x, watch what happens. Okay, and then you'll get what here? Negative 2x plus 6 equals 0. I don't care about the 0. What I care about is, look at your x term here is what? Positive. Your x term here is what? Negative. And I do know negatives just mess us up. So we want to avoid the negatives. So what I would say to you is this. Always look for the smaller x term. Bring it over to the other side. Okay. Do you have to do that? No. No. You can do it any way you want to do it, but my recommendation is pick on the smaller x term. Okay? All right. Now, this is no. This is where we want to go. Okay, these 3 problems are all kind of the same. They all have grouping symbols. So, solving equations with grouping symbols or parentheses. Make sure you check your solutions when you're done. So, the first thing we want to do is take care of the distribution. Hayden, will you help me out here? What's 5 times x minus 8? 5x minus 40, got you. Okay, I'm there. Now, I'm there. That's yesterday, by the way. This is yesterday's problem. The only new thing today was distribution. So what do you do first? Add 40. Get rid of your subtraction. Always get rid of subtraction or addition first. 5x equals what? 90. Now what? Yeah, get rid of multiplication, the opposite of multiply. Divide. Right? 5s are out. X equals 18. Okay. Did you read this word? Yeah? Okay, go check it. You know what? It takes me longer to check it up here because I keep talking to you. If you check it on your own, it's quick. Okay, so it says 5 times, what's x? X is 18, take away 8, is it 50?
Yes.
5 times, what's that? 18, take away 8. 10. 5 times 10? 50. Check. That's what I wanted, didn't I? I wanted to. I mean, really the check is more about you. You just want to know on the test. You hand the test in, you go, I checked them all. I know I got them right. I should get an A on this test, okay? If you don't check, well, you're just kind of saying, I hope they're right. You have the opportunity to know. Keep going, guys. Run it through, run it through.
So 4.
Alex, go ahead. Run it through for me, will you?
4. I don't do work.
That's how math
Okay.
class works.
Okay, Alex, quit pounding your fist so you don't have to hear that thud. Chris, will you do it? Will you run that through for me?
Distribute, so that's gonna be negative 6x plus 4 equals negative 20.
Yeah.
And then subtract 4's.
Okay, one second, you're cruising on me. He distributes through, he gets this. You good? Yeah? He did it right. Okay, now Chris, go.
Subtract 4
Okay.
on both sides.
Both sides, yep.
So it's negative 6x equals negative 24.
Okay.
And then divide by negative 6.
Okay. So he doesn't divide by 6, because if he did divide by 6, he'd get what? Negative x, and you don't want that, so he chose to divide by negative. And that's right. Don't forget the negative, okay? And then final answer, Chris.
X equals 4.
Chris says 4 is the answer. Is he right?
Wow.
Well, there's one way to know, and that is, check it. Here's a quick check. Negative 2 times 3 times 4 minus 2. Inside grouping symbols, what are you going to do? Inside, are you going to subtract or are you going to multiply? Okay, what's this? So negative 2 times 12, take away 2. 12, take away 2. Double 10, you get 20, right? But negative times positive is? Negative 20. Is that what you wanted? Boom. It's right. That can be done so quick. Because I have to talk everything through, it just takes me longer. Okay? All right, last one. Go. Do it. Just a quick walk around, show me point at the answer. Point. Up and down. Get going. Come on. Nobody has pointed to the answer yet. You got it.
Way to negative 5.
2 people have it. Not sure yet? Okay. So what'd you get? Nothing yet. Three people have it. Yeah, you got it. We got about 6 people now that have it. What? Yes.
Negative 148.
How?
Something's wrong.
I know.
Oh, right here.
don't wanna do everything. Just don't wanna do it.
Oh, that's negative 8. Yeah, you need copy of it. Okay. All right. Here we go. Probably have about right now eight people, and we probably have about 4 or 5 of you still working to get there, but we gotta get going. So this is a fraction times a. You guys realize it's fraction times fraction, right? You just put it over 1, don't you? Okay, 2/5 times 10x. Now guys, you can do it this way. This is okay. Ready? Watch this. What's 2 times 10x? 20x, and then 5 times 1 is what? 5, and 20x divided by 5 is 4x. Okay, see, you don't need your parentheses. You don't need your calculator. All right, but watch this. This is the way I typically do it. I go like this. 5 goes into 10. How many times? 2. So what I really have is this. What's 2 times 2x? 4x. Okay, I go like this. 5 goes into 5 once. That's a negative 1, by the way. What's 2 times negative 1? Yeah. Okay, so that's the way I do it, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You could do this. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, divided by what? 5 times 1? 5. What's this? Negative 2. It works. Don't. If you're always this person, guess what? You hit the wrong button once, and guess what happens? The problem's wrong, and you won't even know why. You'll have no idea. Sometimes it's nice to just rely on that brain of yours, okay? All right, we're back to yesterday. What do we do? Add 2. Okay, add 2. And this is out. 4x equals negative 16. Divide by, knock out the 4's, x equals, and I had a lot of these negative 4's. And some of you had positive 4. Yeah, your sign got mixed up somewhere. Good? Slide 1 done? And slide 1 was the same. Distribute, distribute, distribute. Okay? Now, slide 2, this is where the x's appear on both sides. Okay? And we talked about this already. Get the x's on one side. And I did say this, didn't I? Pick on which x term. Try go after the smaller one. I'll let you go for about 30 seconds, then I'll jump in. If you have it, just point. Just point. This one is. Yes. Yes. Go on to the next one. If I say yes, you go on to the next one. Yes. What did I say? I got one. Huh? There you go. What? Yep. Got a lot of, got good answers here, guys. Good job.
Mr. Brandon? Mr. Brandon?
Oh, you two are identical. You guys are so close.
We're well one.
The left one. All right.
I ain't doing that one wrong.
Lots of people have the answer. Okay. Here we go. Okay. If you ever see this, which you will many times this year, you'll see X's on the left, you'll see X's on the right. Let's get them on one side. I typically pick on the which one? Smaller X term. This is the smaller, so I go get rid of 3X. How? Add the opposite. You get X. 1x minus 1 equals, and now this problem turns out to be a very simple problem. Minus 1, how do you get rid of it? Add 1, add 1. There it was. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, really quick, a simple check would be, put the -4 here, I'll do it up here, I guess. 4 times -4 minus 1, does that equal 3 times -4 minus 5? That's what? Take away 1 equals
Yes, it does.
-12, take away 5, yeah, you get -17 equals -17. It's good to go. Good? Okay. Last one. Okay. Hey guys, this brings everything in, everything we talked about. So run the multiplier through. Hayden, you got a question? No. Chanel, can you run this through for me and just tell me what you get?
I don't know if I got it right, but it goes to 8x minus 48
Okay.
equals 12 minus 2x
Minus what?
2x,
Okay.
and then
Wait, stop. You guys see a problem yet?
wait, why?
I'm asking everybody.
I said the negative and then negative, so it's positive. -12, yep, because negative times positive, and a negative times a negative is positive. Okay, then yeah, I got it wrong.
Okay, but see how easy that is to just mess up? So be careful, okay? Now, right there, we're back to this one. Okay, now you tell me, which x term are you gonna pick on? The smaller one. Pick on the small x term. Minus 2x gets rid of the 2x. Minus 2x gets us what? 6x, take away, 48 equals -12, right?
Plus 48.
And now you guys are this is easy. Plus 48 to get rid of minus 48. 48, take away 48, nothing. Add 48. 36 equals, divided by 6, equals 6, right? You want me to check it?
No, it's right. You know it's correct.
I didn't check it. Okay. All right. The assignment got changed slightly. It is what? 25 and what?
34.
34 and then 39 and 44? Okay. All right. Day 2. Day 2.
What? I am.
How bad?
It's like you're drawing a little hangman on me.
It's not a hangman. It's that thing.
Okay, I'm picking up some old exit slips. If somebody wasn't here, I got Claire, I got Mia, anybody else?
Are we supposed to give it back?
No, these people were here.
Yeah, she was gonna ask you.
Ow. I was just talking to myself.
Two fun
Jeez.
Yeah, I didn't mind.
Hey guys, you got work, please get going. At 9:45, I got an exit slip again. I just want to see how you're doing. Okay. Oh, just about forgot. I wrote this for you guys. Second period. You didn't look?
I look.
Flu shot.
I got one of those yesterday.
Still
Yeah,
recording.
Here's the deal. I have to read this to you. The flu shot clinic is Wednesday, October 17th, in the morning, in the comments. Forms need to be turned into the office by Wednesday, October 10th, next week. We will be calling students with completed forms out of class the morning of the 17th when it's time for